Today we are going to make matcha chiffon cake. But before na bigay sa inyo yung ingredients, you need to prepare your pan. Okay? You're going to use a tube center pan with a parchment inside. So hindi nyo na siya kailangan i-grease. Kailangan lang natin ay meron doon para hindi mag-leak. For our ingredients, we have 2 1/4 cup of cake flour. Next, we have the matcha powder. 2 1/2 tablespoon of matcha powder. Depende sa inyo yan kung anong gusto nyo brand. We have 1 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of white sugar. 7 egg yolks. 1 cup of water. And half cup of canola oil or vegetable oil. Always remember na preheat nyo yung oven nyo 30 minutes before. Or much better, habang prepare nyo yung lahat ng ingredients na sinusukat nyo, i-preheat nyo na yung oven nyo para mas sigurado kayong nakapreheat na siya. For the procedure for the powder mixture, you need to sieve yung flour. Matcha powder and the salt. Then add all the remaining ingredients. Sugar, 7 egg yolks, the water, and the oil. Mix nyo lang siya maigi hanggang mag-incorporate at maging smooth. Pero hindi kailangan masyadong smooth kasi baka mag-overmix kayo. Kahit may konting mga lumps, okay lang. For the meringue mixture, we're going to have a 7 egg whites. Make sure na malinis yung bowl mo yung paglalagyan ng egg whites. Walang traces of egg yolks or oil or water. Kailangan hindi siya mapatakan kasi kung hindi na siya angat. Then we have half cup of white sugar and half teaspoon of cream of tartar. We are going to beat the egg whites with the whisk attachment. Then we are going to add cream of tartar. So ibibit lang natin siya hanggang maging stiff. Pag yung egg whites na medyo salty na, medyo wala na, i-add nyo lang yung half ng inuot mo yung bowl, hindi siya pumakasa. Okay, ganito siya. Kahit ito. So we are going to fold in yung half neto muna dito sa butter mixture natin. Para madali kasi siya mag-incorporate. Make sure fold in lang ha. At i-remain hanggang maghalo sila maigit. Okay, after na nailagay na natin dito sa pan, we're going to bake this for 30 to 45 minutes. Depende kasi rin sa laki. So, siguro ito aabot to ng mga 35 or 40 for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, after 30 minutes, luto na siya. Actually, 35 minutes. Kailangan i-invert mo siya. Ito. That's the reason why yung inyong pan merong ganito. Hanggang lumamig siya. Para madali siyang matanggal mamaya.